I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm.
Hello! Welcome to Andaz, Costa Rica at Peninsula Papagayo. Come on in!
So here you go, guys. So they gave us 2 fedora complimentary for both of us.
For Hegel and for me. So we'll wear this one.
Wear this. Alright. So here's the bathroom. So this is king bed bay view. This is the toilet. Here's the shower. It connects to the balcony. You can open it here.
As you can see, we're in the bayfront. Ocean view. That's the jungle. Bay view room.
Let's go back. Is there toiletries or soap? You get 2 compliment water, hand soap, and some towels over here. Got your closet right at the entrance. Oh, you also get 2 ropes if you want to wear that. And they give us a complimentary welcome chocolates or condiments and some wine because it's our honeymoon. Here's the mini bar. So everything in the mini bar is complimentary. You get a flashlight, a lock or a safe, coffee maker or coffee machine. Got some snacks over here, complimentary. Got some sodas in the fridge, some water, additional water. So it's hot and humid over here, so probably want to drink a lot of water. And here's the other side of the closet. There's the middle one. Got the laundry bag and some space where you could put your bag and your luggage. And there's a small one over here, iron board, some iron. You get an umbrella. They also have more umbrella in the front desk if you need more, and sandals. Okay, go around. So there's another door here to the balcony. Just open it, same thing. Just twist it and then push. There you go, pretty big balcony. Just to hang out and chill during the day. Okay, and here's you got a desk. You can eat or eat your snacks or do some work. You got a TV, the king bed over here. They have a Sony alarm clock. What else? And that's pretty much it. And then you get the chair, a lounge chair over here. We just can hang out and chill. And there's another small drawers where you could put your stuff. So because of COVID, they want to do everything touchless. So you can scan the QR code and order everything from the website or the app. Other than that, I mean, this is it. It's a pretty nice room. I mean, it's pretty big. I think it's 560 square feet. We'll take you to the beach and whatever amenities they have for the property. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. This is where we are having our breakfast here in Andaz. Where you are going. I'll let you see the menu. Okay, and then is this a papaya? Please. And this one too, pineapple. Yeah. Come on, po bushing. Mango, please. Oopsie daisy. Then dragon fruit.
Is it dragon fruit?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you put more?
No.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I found.
Precious.
Oh. Can I just papayas and the... Good morning.
Morning.
Can I have this one? Yeah, you.
Gallo Pinto.
Just a little bit, this one? Poquito.
Piquito, piquito.
Yeah, that's good.
So these are their menu friends. Gallo Pinto.
Can I have more? This one? One more? Yeah.
Can I get this one?
Carlita, ¿dónde están las tortillas? ¿No sabes? No, las palmeadas.
Yeah. Then this one too.
Oh, yeah.
Can you put more? More? Oh. Then one more of this one. One. Yeah.
Just a little bit. Poquito. Yeah, that's
Can
good.
you put 5?
Five.
This one? Then this one. Yeah. Oops.
And the corn? Just the corn. Yeah. Okay. That's it. No. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Can you put corn?
Gracias.
Oops. Gracias. Oh. Would you like coffee?
Yes, please.
Can I get orange juice, please? Claro, give me 1 second, please. Thank you. Yes. Hi friends. Magkuan nami. We will do the bike tour. We'll go. Yeah, we'll go somewhere to the beach and everywhere here in Peninsula Papagayo area. So that's the update, friends. So see you guys later. Bye. Oh, hi friends. We're going back to Andaz with my husband. Ow. Struggling.
Paspasi ha?
Ha?
Paspasi.
Wala. Sige. Woo! So fast, friends. Uy. my goodness, friends. It's so hot in here. Tanning is real. But these are activities for today. Biking. So nice. It's a nice feeling. It's a good thing we did this. Open. Is this the right way? Woo! We need to faster, my love. It's Pasaka. La la la. I'm struggling, friends. Standing up. Woo! It's like we're bikers. Woo! Hi friends, they have calisthenics outdoor exercise. Come on.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, I will do that after you.
Ready?
Ready. It's ready. I'm recording. Shutay.
Nothing is okay now. Okay.
Wrong way, manggo ka. Ako na pod be.
Tired of biking. Friends, we did like, I think 25 miles.
May ilok.
Man, it's very far, friends. Sige na, Bushing.
Ay, okay. Ipalayo. Ay, okay. Padool.
So here's the view, friends. So we're by the bay. Okay.
Okay.
Here's our next. Whoa! Wow! Shaking! Wow! Niloto ang bukog.
There's no power, friends, because of, you know.
Ah,
How about, what is that one?
what? Hold on. Pang gymnastic.
I like this.
Like this though. Let's see. Pang gymnastic. Dili na mao. Para gud sa gymnastic. Ano?
Look, gani oh.
Pwede man yan na. Pang abs pero pwede pud ka kanang kuan
Ay,
gymnast.
kanang mo anak man ka anak.
Oo.
Anak man
Oo,
ka
anak.
anak. Di ko I cannot do that.
Sige.
One. Ready?
Hmm.
Go.
Wow, Olympic gold medalist. Ah. 21, 22, 23.
I'm dead.